Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I want to talk to you about the single most important decision you can make when buying your new compact or subcompact tractor.
Welcome to my credit garage. You know I'm really glad you're here. Yeah.
Okay, let's play a little game here, a little guessing game. I'm going to say that you are between the ages of 45 and 60. You've got a piece of property and you're considering buying a tractor, maybe for the very first time. And you're a bit overwhelmed at the number of manufacturers and options that are out there. And I don't blame you for that. Now, I'm here to talk about just one thing, and that is the most important attachment that you can buy when you're buying a new tractor. Now, let's also assume that you're getting the front end loader attachment, which is an optional accessory, optional attachment. So let's assume you're getting a front end loader. I think probably 99% of all compact and subcompact tractors are sold with a front end loader. So that's a given. You're getting the front end loader, and the rest you have to figure out with your dealer. And that's probably the best advice I've heard, is really more so than brand, consider the dealers that are in your area. Research where they are, talk to them, find out how long they've been in business, how long they've been selling that particular brand, and a good dealer will guide you through your purchase of the tractor, the size, the horsepower, as well as the attachments you might want to consider. But back to the front end loader. This is pretty simple. The most important option you can get with your front end loader is some sort of quick attach. Do not buy a pin-on bucket.
Oh, you can think about it, but don't do it.
A pin-on bucket means that it is not easily removed. It's not easily interchangeable with other attachments. And the beauty of a tractor and a front end loader is how versatile they are and how many attachments you can get. With a quick attach front end loader mechanism, you can use the bucket, pallet forks, a grapple, a stump bucket, a rock bucket, a trailer hitch.
Pan fry, deep fry, stir fry.
There's so many things that you can do. If you have the pin-on bucket, you're really stuck with that bucket. Now, each tractor has the option of some sort of quick attach front end loader. Now, my Kubota, along with I think almost every other manufacturer, offers the SSQA, which is the skid steer quick attach mechanism. And that's a matter of releasing two levers. You rock the bucket out, you pull up and you rock it into the new attachment, you lock the levers, and off you go. Now, John Deere offers their own proprietary quick attach, which works really well. But when I think of proprietary, I think of one thing.
Show me the money.
So I don't know if it's optional or not, but I really think John Deere should offer the SSQA option so that it would be interchangeable with so many other brands. And maybe they do, and maybe I'm not aware of that. I don't know. But the bottom line is get some sort of quick attach for your front end loader so you can change buckets out. I'll show you what I mean. So notice first here that I've got the bucket tilted back slightly, and that's very important to make sure that it stays in place when you release it. To release it, you simply lift these two levers. Now I'll jump on the tractor and show you how I just take it right off. Just set it down, roll it forward until the bottom comes out, and back up. And that's it. And then the next attachment you'd pull in and just reattach it the same way. But let's take a closer look at how this system works. The front of the receiver is flat, and of course the back of the bucket is also flat. When you lock the lever in place, there's a pin here in the bottom that locks into a slot in the bottom of the bucket. When you lift the lever up, it releases that pin, and that's why you're able to roll the bucket out of place. Now, if you look at the back of the bucket, the top is angled the same angle as the quick attach, so that hooks right underneath the here, and then down at the bottom are the slots where that pin drops in. It's just that simple. You can see here these pallet forks have the same shape on the back with the angled top and the hole in the bottom to receive the pin. So let's just pull up and hook to this. So you can see I just ease in, I keep the quick attach on the forward facing angle. Pull right in underneath. Pick up and then roll it back. Once I'm connected, I usually rock it like this to make sure it's in place. Keep it angled back. And then we'll lock those levers in place.
Oh, listen, one more thing. It'll just take a second.
Now, the one critical mistake that people sometimes make is not ensuring that the back of the attachment is flush with the receiver, which would mean that this pin would drop down and not catch. It would actually be behind it, so it wouldn't be locked in. That can happen to both sides or just one side. If it happens to just one side, you can easily rack your loader attachment. So it's important to make sure that this is seated properly. So do a good visual inspection before using your attachment. So that's it. In my opinion, the most important decision you can make when buying the option or accessory for your front end loader is the quick attach bucket system. Now you might say, Ed, I don't plan on ever changing out my bucket. I'm fine with a pin-on bucket. That may be the case, but you know what? Someday you might decide to sell that tractor. You might decide to upgrade or get a new tractor, and a tractor with a pin-on bucket is going to be a little harder to sell, and it's going to be worth less. So if you make the investment now, you'll be happy sooner or later, or both. You can thank me now or you can thank me later, but that's my recommendation for today. And let me know in the comments if you agree, if you have any other questions, if there's another video I can make. I'm certainly no tractor expert. I'm just sharing information that I learned as a new tractor owner just a few years ago myself. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to join us. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time.